two major online legal platforms, one big question: which one actually delivers for your business? On the left, the established authority, LegalZoom, and on the right, the modern disruptor, ZenBusiness. Let's skip the hype and break down what really matters. Each category scores points, so you'll know exactly who comes out on top, and the winner might not be who you're expecting. Okay, here's our mind map. We're gonna look at their pricing, the core services they include, legal support options, all the online features and extras, overall user experience, and of course, how they handle registered agent services. Sound like a lot? Trust me, it's worth it. Alright, let's kick things off with price. LegalZoom, honestly, is kinda all over the place. You'll see tons of add-on legal services, which is great if you want more options, but the actual LLC formation, registered agent, and annual compliance fees, yikes, they're noticeably higher than a lot of competitors. Plus, figuring out their packages feels a bit like solving a puzzle. Now, ZenBusiness? Super straightforward, transparent and bundled pricing, way lower annual registered agent fees, and even their starter plans have a bunch of core services already packed in. Some legal services do cost extra, but overall, ZenBusiness is way less stressful for your wallet. So who wins here? ZenBusiness, hands down. Let's talk about core services. LegalZoom covers the bases: LLC or corporation formation, registered agent duties, legal docs, and even some trademark stuff. But if you need tools like domains or business email, not happening here. ZenBusiness, though, does LLC and corp formation plus registered agent like LegalZoom, but they throw in operating agreements and fun twist options for business websites and domains. That's slick. The only thing missing, they don't give you direct access to attorneys, so on that note, honestly, both roll out a pretty solid core package. I'm gonna call this one a tie. Moving to legal support, here, where LegalZoom steps it up. They offer attorney consultations, tons of legal forms, even personal legal help for things like wills and trusts. Yeah, they do try to upsell extra products, but still, if you ever think, I might need a lawyer, LegalZoom's got you covered. On the other hand, ZenBusiness sticks with business-focused compliance tools, useful templates, filing assistance, but no legal advice or actual access to attorneys. So this round, LegalZoom totally takes it. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know? ZenBusiness launched in 2015 and already serves hundreds of thousands of entrepreneurs, while LegalZoom has helped over 4 million customers since 2001. Who says the old guard always wins, right? Alright, let's go online. Features and extras. Who brings more to the table? LegalZoom has a dashboard that's easy for managing documents, sure, but if you want business email, website, or domains, sorry, nope. ZenBusiness, though, actually builds in a website builder, business domains, email packages, and hey, even some accounting and tax consultation options. Not bad, right? If you need more hardcore legal stuff, ZenBusiness isn't as strong, but for online business basics, they really nail it. Winner here, ZenBusiness again. Now, user experience. LegalZoom is definitely a recognizable brand, like you've probably seen their ads everywhere. Tons of FAQs, pretty good support, that's nice. But man, their plans are confusing and there's constant upselling. ZenBusiness, way more streamlined, simple interface, options are clear, bundles just make sense. Fewer legal extras outside of forming your business, but honestly, it's a way easier ride if you don't want headaches. ZenBusiness takes this one. Registered agent services, here, where the nitty-gritty comes in. LegalZoom provides secure online access, but brace yourself, it's $249 per year for their registered agent, and anything extra like compliance will cost you. Plus, it's not bundled into basics. ZenBusiness just keeps it chill. Registered agent as low as $99 per year, they've got worry-free compliance packed in, and their combined annual report registered agent prices are just better value. The catch? The very basic plan won't have the full compliance unless you upgrade, but overall, ZenBusiness is an easier win here. If you're a visual learner, picture this. ZenBusiness consistently scores higher for price, user experience, online features, and registered agent. LegalZoom holds its own with legal support and matches in core services, but overall, the chart leans in favor of ZenBusiness. So, if you're a startup or small business wanting simple, all-in-one formation and compliance tools without messing up your budget, ZenBusiness is honestly the better pick. If your business is about more complex needs, maybe you need personal legal help, detailed documents, or direct attorney access, that's where LegalZoom shines. Found this comparison helpful? If you did, be sure to follow us for smarter business decisions. I'll catch you in the next one.